Hi all, today we are taking a look at the Budan Brew 500 fully automatic coffee machine. We have the machine set up here. Let's first take a look what all comes inside the box, and then I'll show you how you can make a beverage of your choice using this machine. Inside the box you'll find the Budan Brew 500, a detachable 1.5 litre water tank, a detachable 300 ml milk container, a user manual, warranty card and a brush to clean the machine. Before switching on the machine, ensure all components are properly placed. Take out the detachable water tank. Make sure you have rinsed it with clean water. Fill it up with fresh drinking water. Slide it back in. Rinse the milk container. Fill the milk container with some fresh milk and insert it into the machine. Fill in the bean hopper with some fresh coffee beans. Once all of this is done, power on the machine. Let the machine heat up for some time. Once the screen stops blinking, the machine is ready to brew. Before your first use, run a cleaning cycle on the machine so that it cleans all the internal components of the machine and the machine is heated up and ready to brew your first cup. Coming to brewing coffee. The Budan Brew 500 offers you multiple beverage options including espresso, americano, cappuccino, lattes and more. All the beverage options are displayed on the screen, and you can also adjust the beverage strength and volume through the machine settings to suit your taste. Let's get to brewing now. Take a cup, put it under the spout and select the beverage that you want. I'd be making a latte now. And just under a minute, your creamy cafe quality latte is ready. Convenient and consistent every single time. Coming to cleaning and maintenance. To keep your Budan Brew 500 running smoothly, regular cleaning is important. After daily use, empty and rinse out the drip tray. Rinse the milk container and the milk tube to prevent residue buildup. Wipe the exterior of the machine with a damp cloth. The machine performs automatic internal cleaning cycles. Always allow these to complete whenever they are prompted. For deeper maintenance, clean the water tank regularly. Detach and rinse all the removable parts whenever needed. Follow on-screen cleaning alerts for best performance. The Budan Brew 500 is designed for effortless cafe-style coffee at home or in the office. With fully automatic brewing, easy setup, and minimal maintenance, it makes great coffee simple and convenient.